Class 10, Subject Chemistry, Chapter 2, Acids, Bases and Salts, Module 5. At the end of this class, you will know the preparation of bleaching powder, properties of bleaching powder, preparation of baking soda, properties and uses of baking soda, preparation of washing soda and properties of washing soda. Before we go to the preparation of bleaching powder, you should know the meaning of two terms, bleaching agent and disinfectant. A substance which removes color from colored substances and makes them colorless is called a bleaching agent. A substance which is used to kill germs or bacteria is called a disinfectant. Now let's move on to the preparation of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. The chemical formula is CaOCl2. It is also called chloride of lime. It is prepared by passing chlorine gas over dry slate lime. COH twice plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2 plus H2O. Now let us discuss the properties of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is a white powder which gives a strong smell of chlorine. It is soluble in cold water. The small insoluble portion always left behind is the lime present in it. Bleaching powder reacts with dilute acids to produce chlorine. When bleaching powder is treated with an excess of a dilute acid, all the chlorine present in it is liberated. For example, when bleaching powder is treated with an excess of dilute sulfuric acid, all the chlorine present in it is liberated. CaOCl2 plus H2SO4 gives CaSO4 plus Cl2 plus H2O. The chlorine produced by the action of a dilute acid on bleaching powder acts as a bleaching agent. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is baking soda. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. It is also called sodium bicarbonate. It is sometimes added for faster cooking of food or for making tasty crispy pakoras. Preparation of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is produced on a large scale by reacting a cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride called Brin with ammonia and carbon dioxide. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl. Now let us see what are the properties of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate consists of white crystals which are sparingly soluble in water. It is a mild non-corrosive base. The solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate in water is mildly alkaline. Action of heat. When solid sodium hydrogen carbonate or its solution is heated, then it decomposes to give sodium carbonate with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. 2NaHCO3 on heating will give you Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. The following reaction takes place when it is heated during cooking. Let us see what are the uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as an antacid in medicine to remove acidity of the stomach. Sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda is used in making baking powder, used in making cakes, bread, etc. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and a mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. When baking powder mixes with water present in dough made for baking cake or bread, then sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with tartaric acid to evolve carbon dioxide gas. This is the equation for the reaction. NaHCO3 plus hydrogen ions from the acid give carbon dioxide plus water plus sodium salt of acid. Carbon dioxide produced during the reaction causes bread or cake to rise, making them soft and spongy. If only sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, is used in making cake or bread, then sodium carbonate formed from it by the action of heat during baking will give a bitter taste to cake or bread. The advantage of using baking powder is that tartaric acid present in it can react with any sodium carbonate formed and neutralize it. And the sodium tartrate salt formed by neutralization has a pleasant taste. It is used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Move on to the next salt, washing soda. Washing soda is sodium carbonate containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. Its chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Its chemical formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. Sodium carbonate without water of crystallization is called anhydrous sodium carbonate. Anhydrous sodium carbonate Na2CO3 is commonly known as soda ash. Washing soda is an important chemical obtained from sodium chloride. Let us see what is the preparation of washing soda. Washing soda is produced from sodium chloride in the following 3 steps. A cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride called Brin is reacted with ammonia and carbon dioxide to obtain sodium hydrogen carbonate. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl. Sodium hydrogen carbonate formed is only slightly soluble in water, so it precipitates out as a solid. In the second step, sodium hydrogen carbonate is separated by filtration, dried and heated. On heating, sodium hydrogen carbonate decomposes to form sodium carbonate. 2NaHCO3 on heating gives Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. The anhydrous sodium carbonate obtained here is called soda ash. In the third step, anhydrous sodium carbonate is dissolved in water and recrystallized to get washing soda crystals containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives Na2CO3.10H2O. Now let us see the properties of washing soda. First, washing soda is a transparent crystalline solid. Washing soda is one of the few metal carbonates which are soluble in water. The third property is that the solution of washing soda in water is alkaline, which turns red litmus to blue. Finally, detergent properties. It has detergent properties or cleansing properties. So these were the properties of washing soda.